If you're seeing an X.com or Twitter error while creating an account, this video will show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and I'll keep it straight to the point so you can get back to creating your account without wasting time. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, open a new Incognito or private browsing window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard. This helps you check whether X is working properly without old browser data getting in the way. Once the private window opens, go to X.com again and try creating the account there. If it works in Incognito, the issue is likely related to your browser data or saved session. Next, if the problem continues, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you clear cookies and cache, since outdated or corrupted browser files can cause login and account creation errors on X. After that, close the browser completely and try again. If you're still getting the error, switch your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and try using your mobile data instead, then test the sign-up process again. If that does not work, do the opposite and turn Wi-Fi back on while disconnecting mobile data. Sometimes, X will block or flag one network connection but allow the other. So this simple switch can make a big difference. Also, make sure you disable any VPN if you have one turned on. A VPN can sometimes trigger security checks or prevent X from letting you create an account normally. Once the VPN is off, refresh the page and try signing up again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue right away. So to recap, test X in an Incognito window, clear cookies and cache, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and turn off any VPN. If you want more quick troubleshooting videos like this, make sure you subscribe, and if this helped you out, hit the like button before you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.